Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to schedule events or appointments in Outlook. I'm using the web-based Outlook. The process can be quite similar if you're using the desktop Outlook. To, um, to schedule the appointment, what you need to do is to click on Calendar on the left-hand side of the Outlook. Here, you click on New Event. This is where you set up the parameters that you want. For instance, we can just add a title. If you want to invite attendees, this is where you type their emails, for instance, where it says invite attendees. Obviously, this is optional. If you want, you can make it a recurring event. If it is a kind of event that takes place more than once. Also, you can choose how long the event is going to take place. If it's all-day event, you can just toggle this. But in this case, let us leave it the way it is. Here, you can choose date and time. Also, if it is in-person event, for instance, here you can toggle this. Now, we can add our text. Just go through this and see if there are more parameters that you are interested in changing. After that, you go up there and save the event. By doing so, our event has been recorded. Let us click there, the date, because our event is on 30th. Here, you can see the event. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and add some comment. Thank you for watching.